FastMCP 3 implements session-aware tool visibility through a context-based transform system, enabling runtime component exposure control via tag-based filtering and per session overrides. This mechanism allows servers to dynamically adjust which tools are accessible to individual sessions while maintaining global defaults. The upcoming code demonstrates how to initialize a session-aware server, define premium tools with restrictive tags, and implement session-specific activation logic using context methods like enable components and reset visibility. You'll see how global tag-based disabling creates default restrictions that individual sessions can selectively override.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastMCP server context, import context. MCP equals FastMCP, session-aware server. At MCP, tool tags equals premium. Def premium analysis data, SDR. Advanced analysis available to premium users. Return F premium analysis of data. At MCP, tool. Async def unlock premium text, context SDR. Unlock premium features for this session. Await CTX, enable components tags equals premium. Return premium features unlocked. At MCP, tool. Async def reset feature resctex, context SDR. Reset to default feature set. Await CTX, reset visibility. Return features reset to defaults. Hash premium tools are disabled globally by default. MCP, disable tags equals premium.
This code demonstrates session-aware tool visibility management in FastMCP 3, where component availability is controlled at both global and per session levels. The pattern uses FastMCP's context object to dynamically enable or disable tools for individual sessions while maintaining global defaults. At the global level, the premium analysis tool is tagged as premium and disabled by default using MCP. Disable tags equals premium. This ensures all new sessions start with premium features hidden. The session-specific control happens through context-aware tools like Unlock Premium, which uses CTX, enable components tags equals premium, to make premium tools visible only to the current session. Similarly, Reset Features returns a session to the global default state via CTX, Reset Visibility. The design enables progressive disclosure patterns where users can unlock features on demand without affecting other sessions. This is particularly useful for freemium models, role-based access, or gradual feature rollouts. The session-level overrides take precedence over global settings, with later rules overriding earlier ones for the same component. Automatic client notifications ensure UI consistency when visibility changes occur. Let's break it down.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP.
Imports the FastMCP class from the FastMCP module, making it available for creating MCP server instances.
From FastMCP server context, import context.
Imports the context class from the FastMCP server context module, providing access to MCP session capabilities like logging, progress reporting, and resource management within FastMCP components.
MCP equals FastMCP, session-aware server.
Creates a FastMCP server instance with the identifier session-aware server that will appear in MCP protocol handshakes for client identification purposes. The string parameter serves solely as a server label and does not configure any functional behavior or operational mode.
At MCP, tool tags equals premium. Def premium analysis data, SDR. Advanced analysis available to premium users.
Defines a FastMCP tool named Premium Analysis that accepts a string parameter and returns a string tagged with premium for access control. The decorator automatically registers the function as a callable tool in the FastMCP system, using the docstring as its description.
Return F premium analysis of data.
Returns a formatted string containing the text premium analysis of, followed by the value of the data variable. This creates a descriptive output message that incorporates the provided data in a human-readable format.
At MCP tool. Async def unlock premium text. Context SDR. Unlock premium features for this session.
Defines an asynchronous function named unlock premium, decorated with @mcp tool, making it a callable tool in the FastMCP framework. The function takes a context object as input and returns a string. The docstring indicates this tool unlocks premium features for the current session. FastMCP automatically registers this as a tool with the name unlock premium and uses the docstring as its description.
Await CTX. Enable components tags equals premium.
Enables all components tagged with premium in the current context, making them visible and available for use. The operation is asynchronous, waiting for completion before proceeding. Components without this tag remain unaffected.
Return premium features unlocked.
Returns the string premium features unlocked as the output of the function.
At MCP tool. Async def reset feature resctex. Context SDR. Reset to default feature set.
Defines an asynchronous function named reset features decorated with @mcp tool, making it available as a callable tool in the FastMCP framework. The function takes a context object as input and returns a string. The docstring indicates this tool resets features to their default set, which FastMCP will use as the tool's description in client interfaces.
Await CTX. Reset visibility.
Resets the visibility state of the current MCP context to its default configuration. This asynchronous operation clears any previous visibility filters or modifications, restoring the original set of visible components for the session. The call awaits completion before proceeding, ensuring visibility is fully reset before subsequent operations.
Return features reset to defaults.
Returns a string literal features reset to defaults as the result of a function or method execution. This serves as a confirmation message, indicating that some features have been successfully reset to their default values.
Hash premium tools are disabled globally by default. MCP disable tags equals premium.
Disables all components tagged with premium in the FastMCP server instance, making them invisible and inaccessible to client queries. The disable method filters components by their tags, and any component with the premium tag will be excluded from listings and cannot be called. FastMCP3's session-aware tool visibility system creates a layered access control model where global defaults and per-session overrides work together. The server starts by globally disabling premium tag tools via MCP. Disable tags equals premium, establishing a baseline where these features remain hidden for all new sessions. This global restriction doesn't permanently lock functionality, though. It creates a foundation that individual sessions can selectively override. The context object becomes the key to session-specific customization. When a user triggers unlock premium, the CTX, enable components tags equals premium, call creates a session-level exception that makes premium tools visible only to that particular connection. This override doesn't affect the global default or other sessions, maintaining isolation between users. Similarly, reset features leverages CTX, reset visibility to discard all session-specific overrides, instantly reverting to the global baseline. The pattern enables progressive disclosure, where users can unlock capabilities on demand, while the system maintains clean separation between global configuration and individual session states. Session-level rules always take precedence, but they're temporary, and scoped the global tags-based filtering remains the ultimate fallback. This dual-layer approach supports freemium models where premium features exist in the system, but remain hidden until explicitly unlocked per user, all while keeping the implementation clean through tag-based grouping and context-aware overrides.
The server whispers premium tools into existence, then erases them with a single session's breath.